So the tide comes in, why the thing's falling the other way? That's weird. Okay. I'm gonna start to not hurt me too much. Gonna start eat the plastic. Okay. Good luck on these ones. Look at this. You don't give me a chance for shit. Man. Look at this. It don't give me a chance for nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna put it. This squeegee wiggler, 65 mil on the 40 size 1 hook. And I want to see if these guys are going to be play again. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not going to put any set now. Setting up. And have a go again. Less white in their way. Yep. Like, oh, that's a surprise. Fuck off, idiot. Stinky pike, eh? Swallow this thing all the way down. Oh, thank you. That one, little Thailand. But where I come to the Rex to get all this rubbish. Little Thailand. Still it? Oh, wait. Radio guys, the battery died, and I don't change the battery straight away, and I kind of do a cast a little bit further up where I was, and get another beam ball. Okay, so it's on the Bolton's lures, it is Z. So if you guys are interested to have a look, I'm pretty sure Lee Bolton is going to be very happy to sell you a couple of these lures, man. I'm telling you, they're working very well actually for this kind of environment. So this was the killer of this one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be not gonna be up right where I have her, but I'm still gonna check. I'm pretty sure not. I'm still gonna pass through the ruler. Stop, man, stop. What? There we go. Happy now? Far up. So, this is a 26 and a half. I'm pretty sure. Both of the others are bigger than this. Why this thing, man, keep playing up? So it goes at 26 and a half. Bang. It's not great, so release the beast. Thank you for coming. It's always a great fun. Oh, yep, there we go. Like a little shit. Look at this fucking little thing, hey. Un blimzit canito.